Want to stop Facebook from tracking your activity? In 60 seconds I'll show you exactly how. First, open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com and sign in if needed. Tap the menu icon, then choose Settings and Privacy from the list. Select Settings, then look for Privacy Shortcuts or Off Facebook Activity depending on your interface. Tap Off Facebook Activity to view apps and websites that have shared data with Facebook. You'll see recent activity and options to clear history or manage future activity. To remove past connections, tap Clear History, then confirm when prompted. Next, tap Manage Future Activity to choose whether Facebook can link future off-site activity to your account. Select Disconnect Future Activity or turn the toggle to off, then confirm to stop linking future data. While here, review app and website permissions and your ad settings for extra control. Make changes, confirm choices, and remember to revisit these settings after updates. Recap: clear your history, disconnect future activity, and review app permissions. Check your privacy settings regularly to stay in control.